Hey, hustlers, ready to make easy money even if you're under 18 with zero upfront cash? Today, I've got an incredible business idea that's perfect for anyone, especially if you're young and broke. It's time to dive into the world of online surveys. Yep, you heard me right. Companies are willing to pay you for your opinions and feedback. You can do this from the comfort of your own home in your PJs. All you need is a smartphone or a computer and an internet connection. No special skills or experience required. Here's how it works. Sign up with legit survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Inbox Dollars. They'll send you surveys on various topics. For each survey you complete, you earn points or cash, and guess what? Your monthly earnings totally depend on you and on the amount of time you want to dedicate in this business. Think about what you could do with the extra money you make from online surveys. Let me know in the comments. Imagine how all of your spare time, like binge watching your favorite series or even waiting for the bus, could turn to be the most profitable part of your day. So, whether you're under 18 or just looking to make some extra cash, this is the perfect side hustle. It's simple, it's flexible, and it puts money in your pocket. Cha-ching! If you found this idea intriguing, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your favorite way to earn online? Let's chat.